Okay, so it's a very similar problem, and we're trying to solve for that thing, which is dy dx. And we'll go through it one step at a time. I'm just writing the problem now. That's dy dx. Put a little multiplication symbol there for you. Plus 2x y squared plus 3y squared. One of the big problems when you're copying things is you might copy it wrong or incorrectly. And that equals 0. So again, I want to emphasize, this is the thing we're trying to solve for. Right? So what I'm going to do is, it's already on one side. I'm going to just rewrite it. So that thing remains on the side, but everything else that's not that thing is on the other side. So you get 2x squared y dy dx plus 3y squared dy dx. And these things are getting the other side. So it's going to be minus 4x cubed minus 2x y squared. I'm going to factor the left side. Again, it reminds me of a literal equation. We're trying to get this guy's coefficient. And let's write that down. So it's going to be 2x squared y plus 3y squared times dy dx equals minus 4x cubed minus 2x y squared. What I'm going to do now, divide both sides by the thing's coefficient. Again, this is the thing we're looking for. What's the coefficient going to be? Whoops. It's going to be 2x squared y plus 3y squared. So the dy dx, or that thing we're looking for, is going to be equal to minus 4x cubed minus 2xy squared over 2x squared y plus 3y squared. Now, there's nothing wrong with the way it's written, by the way, but I do want to say that I like to factor out the minus because it just doesn't look right to me. So 4x cubed, I'm actually factoring out minus 1, by the way, plus 2xy squared. What do you get in the bottom? 2x squared y plus 3y squared. I don't see any reductions here, so I'm going to say this would be my answer. I'll put a box in that. They're not asking for restrictions, but I do want to look at the answer key. And what number are we looking at? We're looking at 82. What am I expecting to see? Well, certainly dy dx minus, do I see this? I do. Do I see this? 2xy squared, I do. Do I see this? 2x squared y, I do, plus 3y squared. We're good to go on to the next question. Thank you.